प्यार है, गुरु है तो संसार है। घने अंधकार में भी दीपक का प्रकाश है, मन का विश्वास है, दिल का एहसास है, सुंदर सा गीत है, हर शब्द में प्रीत है। गुरु के हाथों में संसार की कमान है, गुरु के चरणों को मेरा शत शत प्रणाम है।
गुरु है तो विश्वास है, गुरु है तो सब कुछ पास है, गुरु से ही आस है। गुरु जो अपने पास है तो मंजिल की क्या फिर बात है। एक सुंदर सा एहसास है, ना हो कोई लक्ष्य अधूरा, सब कुछ अपने हाथ है। गुरु एक सुंदर साज है, गुरु शिष्य का सरताज है। गुरु वो जो कभी मन की ना होने दे शाम है। गुरु के चरणों को शत शत प्रणाम है।
Respected teachers, we'll always be thankful to you for all the hard work and efforts that you have put in to guide us, inspire us, and educate us. A big thank you for making us what we are today.
What is a teacher? I'll tell you. It isn't someone who teaches something, but someone who inspires the student to give of her best in order to discover what she already knows.
A good teacher teaches from the heart, and they don't impact for a year but for a lifetime.
Being a teacher is the highest privilege. Having a teacher is the best blessing.
You are not just a teacher, but a great philosopher, guide, and a friend. You taught me not only about earth and existence of life on it, but taught me how to live a life at its best. No words can express my gratitude to you. Suja ma'am, we are blessed to have you.
Renu ma'am, you're my favorite teacher. And because of this, English is my favorite subject. You always teach with a smile on your face, and that's the best part I like. I love about you. You make everyone laugh and make everyone happy. Teaching is that one profession that creates all the other professions. Thank you for helping me become the person I am today. Wishing you joy and happiness, and you are an amazing teacher, and you only deserve the best. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers.
The award for the most wonderful teacher has been declared, and it goes to you. It's your unique guidance and method that made economics my favorite subject. An awesome economic teacher like you is hard to find, difficult to part with, and impossible to forget.
Thank you, Amisha ma'am, for acting like a friend and taking time to show me lessons hard to comprehend. Thank you for your caring and lots of other stuff for all the things you gave me. I can't thank you enough. Happy Teachers' Day and love you.
On this special day, I would like to thank you for all the efforts you have put in to make me a better person. I'll remember both the academic and life lessons that you have taught me. I wanted to let you know that I really enjoyed your class. Thank you, ma'am. Happy Teachers' Day.
इन लफ्ज़ों में अब अल्फाज नहीं बचे हैं। आपने क्या क्या किया है हमारे लिए, हम वो बता नहीं सकते हैं। डियर पुष्पा मैम, यूँ तो आपकी फेवरेट लाइन है गो एंड कॉन। वैसे तो हम करते नहीं अपना वीडियो ऑन, पर जब भी हम करते हैं तो आपका मूड हो जाता है टिंग टोंग। वैसे तो आपने बहुत कुछ सिखाया है, पर ज़िंदगी को कैसे जीना है ये मुझे भाया है। तो इस टीचर्स डे मैं आपसे यही दुआ करूँगी, आप जैसी हो वैसी ही रहना, आप जैसी हो वैसी ही रहना, और कभी हमें भुला ना देना। Happy Teachers' Day to the most polite and lovely teacher.
The influence of a good teacher can never be erased, and that is absolutely your case, ma'am. Thank you and have a very happy Teachers' Day.
Teacher, I prefer the term educational rockstar. Thank you, Sunita ma'am, for being our pillar of support. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. Psychology has always been a very fascinating subject for all of us, and you make it even more so with your unique and friendly way of teaching. Thank you for everything.
Not everyone has a heart of gold and such dedication, but you do. You are truly inspiring individual who has taught me much more than simply curriculum. That is why I wanted to let you know that your hard work, efforts and care are much appreciated. Best wishes to Mrs. Hardeep Kaur. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Best teacher teaches from heart, not from books. Wish you a very, very happy Teachers Day, ma'am. The way you have been sharing your knowledge with me for all these years makes you the most special teacher to me. I have no words to thank you. And once again, wishing you a very, very happy Teachers Day.
Wishing you a joy and happiness. You all are an amazing teachers and you only deserve the best. You are the spark, the inspiration, the candle to my life. I'm deeply thankful that you all are my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. I love you all.
Great inventors and leaders are not born. They are motivated and inspired to do great things by great teachers like you all. I don't have words to express my gratitude. I can only say that we all will make you proud one day. A very, very happy Teachers Day to all my lovely teachers.
It takes a special person to teach a child in class, to just keep his attention in the world that moves so fast, to show a child he's unique with talents deep inside, to help to build his confidence so that he can beam with pride, to show a little patience for a child who lost his ways, to a child who feels abandoned, who has seen better days, to inspire and to motivate so a child can learn and grow, to go into this big wide world that has its highs and lows. You are a very special person. You have always given your best. And the child who has your class, their life is truly blessed.